Hello everyone! Today, we're going to learn the basics of EasySolar software. Our software allows users with all skill levels to design sophisticated solar systems using a user-friendly graphical interface. In this tutorial, you're going to learn on how to create a project, design a solar system using Google Maps, design solar system on sloped roof using a photo, evaluate your project, calculate the production and cash flow of your solar system, and in the end, generate a proposal. Creating a project. After logging in, you will be greeted with the Clients panel. In order to create a new project, you can click on this button in order to create a project entry. You will be greeted with a pop-up, allowing you to add a client name. After inputting it, you will be asked to input the desired location for your solar system. Now click the Start the Project button in order to generate it. Designing a solar system. Our software allows users to design solar systems in 3 different ways: using sloping roof photo, using Google Maps, or by simply creating a quick prototype providing you already know the output of your system. We are going to focus on the first 2 options in this tutorial. Sloping roof photo. Click on this icon to begin. You will be asked to upload a photo that will be used as base to your design. Click Add Photo to select an image file from your device. After that, you will be able to draw areas where you want your panels to be generated. Feel free to outline the details like dormers or windows. Easy way of doing this is by drawing multiple areas. You can fine adjust the final outline by dragging its edges. Next step is adjusting the perspective. This ensures that panels will be properly scaled to your roof dimensions. Here you want to outline any roof area of known dimensions. We recommend to our users to outline the area of 10 by 10 roof tiles, providing you know the tile dimensions. For example, our client has roof tiles with dimensions of 30 by 20 centimeters. An array of 10 by 10 tiles will then have a dimensions of 3 by 2 meters. If both drawn areas are part of the same surface, you can easily overlay one over the other to save some time. Next, click on Generate Panels in order to proceed to the next step. Here you can change the model of your panels by clicking in the model name. Our software offers a huge selection of already existing models. However, you can always add your own. You can search for your model of choice, and then click here to add it to the price list. This will allow you to save this panel for later use in the project. You can also add a price for your panel. Once added, you can select your panel from the price list. It will automatically update all the panels in the selected area. Input the tilt of your panels. In this case, it should be equal to the incline of your roof. Next, edit the azimuth. Once done, you can rotate your panels in order to better accommodate for roof space. Repeat the process for all areas drawn in the first step. Our software also allows users to change the appearance of the solar panels to improve the looks of the project. Next, click on Edit Layout in order to adjust panel location. You can move duplicate and remove panels. Remember, a good-looking design is a key to the success of the final sale. Hit Save in order to save your project. Congratulations, you just designed your first solar installation. Now let's move to the Google Maps. Creating a solar system on the flat roof is just as easy. Click on the Google Maps icon to proceed. Here again, you need to outline the area where you plan to install your panels. If you worry about some details not being included in the final outline, don't worry, we can always add panels outside the area in the later steps. Hit Generate Panels to proceed. Now you need to fill out the missing fields. We can start off by setting up the panel's tilt. Next, it's time to adjust the azimuth angle. Here you can simply increment or decrement the angle value until panels match the building edge. Finally, let's input the distance between constructions and change orientation to landscape. Then click Generate Panels to proceed. Now we can make final adjustments to our layout. As we mentioned previously, you can duplicate and move panels outside the originally outlined area. Now hit Save, and that's it. We are going to end here for this video. EasySolar has a lot more to offer, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to ring a bell icon to be notified as soon as we release a follow-up video, where we will explain how to evaluate your project, calculate the production and cash flow of your solar system, and how to generate a proposal. Thanks for watching, and see you for the next one.